What are you doing, Allie?
Are you catching fish? Show me how big the fish were.
They're very tiny.
Yeah.
I found someone and they still wet.
Are you seeing any fish right down there, Allie?
I saw a boat.
Don't step down there. These rocks are slippery. Come. Let's grab your shoes and let's walk back.